Hello viewer, I am first time user of the Flyenv. So this is the Flyenv application. So after install it, you can say this. So someone told me without the Laragon latest version, as there is showing thousands of issue, there is thousands of times the advertisement like the license K. That's why I want to the change this version, also the change the platform. So without Laragon, I am someone suggest to use the Flyenv, so I am change myself to Laragon 2. I have shipped Laragon to Flyenv. So this is the first time Flyenv. So Flyenv, here is the this is the Laravel LV1, Laravel 1, and this is the OP1. This is the WordPress set, and this is the set. So check this here. Comes the this is the Apache. So you can invert version. There is many version. You can choose to install from the configuration from the version. If you want to install, so you can install from here. Also logging here, everything is showing you. There is 1000 version. You can check from this ones. You can install one. So I am installing this, run this. So Apache, and we need the PHP version, PHP. So service classic, this is the version is 0.5. so there is many version. So click one and install. Then composer also, you can composer click. I have already deleted this, so I have deleted this, so it will be automatically delete. So this is the composer version. And PHP project, you can create the PHP project from here, and new project like WordPress, Laravel, or automatically create from here. So this is the Python. You can install the Python easily. Just click service or version, click. So all version is showing here. Just hit install and it works well. So Flyenv is the better than others. So everything is here showing in the last MariaDB. So also version, click, all version is showing here. You can install from here. Also MongoDB is showing simple, same also. I have also installed the MySQL, so I am using MySQL version. So this is the MySQL version, you can check. So no PHP admin file in the test, so we can create this. So okay, it's showing it is created, so but not created the job. So we are going there here, and comes here the issue. How is the issue here from here? So it's click the edit secret 11 showing our server is MySQL admin test. Okay, fine. So comes here and check there is any MySQL admin file. No MySQL admin file. So create the MySQL admin. So create the MySQL admin here. Okay. Now when hit this URL, so done. Okay, you need to create. You need to do open the usernames like one user I created this one, and password we need to handle. Open the code and open the folder server. This is our WordPress. So check here, the password is this. So copy the password and try to run this. Is working or not? So yes, this is working fine now. So this is the simple PHP admin is working. Is simply easily for the Flyenv. Everything is working fine as I knew the first day of the Flyenv. I am almost satisfied. So everything is working fine here. So this is the WordPress file. So WordPress all that is showing here. This is our database. In the Laragon automatically create from here, so this is fine for Flyenv. Also you can change each other, so to create it now. Done. So there is also N18 version, there is many 18 version, Olama, OpenKilo, so everything is here, everything in one place. So you can run the Go service version, there all version is showing, so you can install and run this. Also Ruby, also everything Redis, Memcached, everything is showing here. So you can change, you can need actually what you need, that's need to you can install. Also there is also tools of the code playground, session parts, everything as a simple, as a full stack developer you can use this the Flyenv. So every tools is showing here, systemnv, everything is showing here. So this is tools, so I love it. So you are facing the issue of the Laragon, so you can shift the Laragon to Flyenv. Thank you.